Very good morning, students. The previous class we have discussed the topic alcohols, phenols and ether. The totally it is unit number 11. In this unit number 11, three subheadings are there: alcohols, phenols and ether. So we have already discussed what the alcohol. Total the classes are 5 classes we have discussed. These 5 classes, the first we have discussed introduction of alcohol, classification of alcohol, nomenclature of alcohol, methods of preparation, and next is what chemical properties, and the last the lecture number 5 we have discussed the commercial important alcohols. The next continuation is the topic is what phenols. So yes, my dear students, what are phenols? Introduction First is introduction. What are phenols? The phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound. The phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound. Hydroxy compound. The phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where OH group is directly attached to what? Directly attached to or bonded to what? Directly attached to or bonded to what? Benzene ring. Yes, this is the benzene ring. Yes, my dear students. The examination. What are phenols? What are phenols? The phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where the OH group is directly attached to what? The benzene ring. So this type of a compound is called what? Phenol. If OH is attached to what? sp3 carbon of sp3 carbon next to benzene ring, and OH is attached to what? sp3 carbon of what? Aliphatic system. So these are called what? Alcohols. But here the OH is directly attached to the benzene ring, so it is called what? Phenol. Example I can write here. So this is what benzene ring, where the OH group is what? This is called what? Hydroxy group. So this is called what, everybody? This is called what? OH. This is nothing but a hydroxy group. So this hydroxy group is directly bonded to what? The benzene ring. So that's why it is called what? It is called what? Phenol. Or the phenols are also nothing but they are the derivative of what? They are the derivatives of what? They are the hydroxy derivative of what? Benzene. They are the hydroxy derivative. They are the hydroxy. They are the hydroxy derivative of what? Benzene. So these are called what? Phenols. Yes, my dear students. What are phenols? The phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound. Phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where OH group is directly bonded to what? Where OH group is directly bonded to benzene ring. So this type of compounds are called what? Phenols. Also, this is the hydroxy derivative. Hydroxy means what? OH group. Derivative means what? Product. The hydroxy product of what? Benzene. So these are called what? These are called what? Phenols. So what are phenols? Phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where the OH group, that is called what? Hydroxy group, that is OH group, is directly bonded toward the benzene ring or directly attached toward benzene ring or hydroxy derivative of benzene. So these are called what? Phenols, my dear students. And an example is this is what? Phenol. Why it is called phenol? Yes, where OH group is directly bonded to benzene ring. Yes, my dear students. The next I can discuss here. Next I can discuss what? Classification. Next I can discuss what? Classification. The classification of phenols. Yes. Next I can discuss classification. Next is classification. So actually these phenols are classified into 3 types. First I can discuss monohydric phenol. Monohydric phenol. Yes, my dear students. Monohydric phenol. Yes, in this monohydric phenol, monohydric phenol, where OH group is, where OH group is only one OH group, only one OH group is, or where OH group is directly bonded to what? directly bonded to what? Benzene ring. Directly bonded to or attached to what? Benzene ring. So this is what? This is called what? Phenol. What is this monohydric phenol? In this only one OH group is directly bonded to benzene ring. Example. Yes, my dear students. Example. Yes. This is what? Phenol. This is called what? Phenol, where only one OH group is bonded to benzene ring. Next is what? Number 2, second classification, dihydric phenol. Yes, dihydric phenol. What is this dihydric phenol? In this dihydric phenol, the two OH group or two hydroxyl group. So the two hydroxyl group, two OH group attached to what? Attached to benzene ring. Attached to benzene ring. O2 OH group is attached to what? Benzene ring. So these are called what? Dihydric phenol. Yes, my dear students, I can discuss here. Example. Yes, example. First I can write this is. So this is phenol. So this is what? Phenol. Yes, this is phenol. What is the dihydric? 2OH group. 2OH group is attached to benzene ring. Yes, this is I can write. This is one. Second example. Yes. Next example. Yes. These are the three examples. Yes, my dear students. What is the name of this compound? The name is called what? Catechol. It is called what? Catechol. And this is called what? Resorcinol. This is called what? Resorcinol. And this is called what? Quinol. This is called what? Quinol. So where only one OH group is attached to the benzene ring, monohydric phenol. Example is phenol. Example is phenol. So two OH group or two hydroxyl group is attached to benzene ring is called dihydric phenol. Example is what? Catechol. The next one is what? Resorcinol. And next is what? Quinol. Next is what? Quinol. And the next important is what here? The next one is the trihydric phenol. Next is what? Trihydric phenol. So what is this trihydric phenol here? What is this trihydric phenol? So this trihydric phenol contains. Yes, okay. Next I can discuss. Okay, trihydric phenol. So what is this monohydric phenol? The monohydric phenol, it contains one OH group. Example, phenol. Dihydric phenol contains what? The two OH group is attached to benzene ring. So example is catechol. So this is catechol. One OH and one OH is at meta position. It is called resorcinol. Both the OH group is at para position. This is para, this is para, and this is called meta position. This is called ortho position. So this is catechol, where OH is on meta position, it is a resorcinol. Where OH is on para position, it is called what? Phenol. So these are the examples of what? Dihydric phenol in the examination. So give an example of dihydric phenol. Write down catechol, resorcinol, or phenol. Write the structure of catechol. Write the structure. Write the structure of resorcinol. Write this structure. Write the structure of what? Phenol. So these three are the examples of what? Dihydric phenol. Okay. The next, the last is the third classification is a trihydric phenol. Yes. The third classification is what? Trihydric phenol. What is this trihydric phenol? In this trihydric phenol, so it contains what? It contains what? A 3OH group is directly bonded to what? 2OH group is what? Bonded to benzene ring. Yes. Yes, my dear students. Yes. Yes. Now is the trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol. Trihydric phenol. What is this trihydric phenol? What is this trihydric phenol? So, where 3OH group, 3OH group means 3 hydroxyl group, 3OH group means 3 hydroxyl group attached to what? Attached directly to what? Attached directly to what? Benzene ring. To what? Benzene ring. To what? Benzene ring. So here what happens? The 3 OH group, 3 hydroxyl group directly bonded to or attached to what? Benzene ring. So this type of phenol is called what? Trihydric phenol. Example. Yes, I can write here. Example. Yes, my dear students. Example. What is this? First I can write here. This is phenol. This is phenol monohydric. This is what? Catechol, because dihydric, and you add one more OH. It is a trihydric. It is called what? A pyragalol. It is called what? A pyragalol. It is called what? Pyragalol. Yes, my dear students. Second example. Yes, this is benzene ring. This OH is called. This OH is called phenol. Here, this is OH is called what? Dihydric resorcinol. If you add one more OH, it is a trihydric phenol. It is called what? Fluoroglucinol. Fluoroglucinol. Next I can write here. Third, this is what anyway? This is what? S. This OH is called. This OH is called phenol. If I write here, what is this anybody? Dihydric phenol, catechol. If I write this OH here, it is a trihydric phenol. It is called. So here it is called what anybody? What is this anybody? It is quinol. Already we have discussed. This is this. Suppose if here is no OH group, so what is this? It is quinol. So I can write here. This is called what? Hydroxyphenol. It is called what? Hydroxyphenol. It is the hydroxyquinol. Yes, my dear students. So in the examination, so give an example of trihydric phenol. You write either pyragalol, fluoroglucinol or hydroxyquinol. Write the structure of pyragalol, write the structure. Fluoroglucinol structure, next is what? Hydroxyquinol. Yes, my dear student. So what we have discussed, what are phenol? Phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where OH group is directly attached to benzene ring, or hydroxy derivative of benzene are called what? Phenols. Next, phenols are mainly 3 types. Monohydric phenol, only one OH group. Dihydric phenol, it contains 2 OH group. There are 3: catechol, resorcinol, quinol. Trihydric phenol, it contains 3 OH group. The examples are pyragalol, fluoroglucinol and hydroxyquinol. Yes, my dear student. Now the introduction and the classification is over. Now I can discuss what? Methods of preparation. Now I can discuss what? Methods of preparation. Now I can discuss what? Methods of preparation. Yes, my dear students. What is this methods of preparation? Yes, now I can discuss methods of preparation. Methods of preparations. Actually, as per the syllabus, 4 methods of preparation. First method is from haloarine. From what? Haloarine. Halo means what? Halogen. Arine means what? Benzene ring. Yes, from haloarine. Example is what? As example, first haloarine. Example is chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene is an example of what? Chlorobenzene is an. So how do you prepare haloarine? Sorry, how do you prepare phenol? Phenol can be prepared by taking haloarine. Haloarine means chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, like this. So this is chlorobenzene. To this chlorobenzene, you have to add what? Sodium hydroxide, and you have to maintain a temperature of what? 623 Kelvin, and is of what? 300 atmosphere. 300 atmosphere. So this chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide at a temperature of 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere. So what it gives? It gives what? It gives what anybody? It gives sodium phenate. It gives what? The sodium phenate. Sodium phenate means ONA. What is this? ONA. What is this? Minus of what? Minus of what? HCl. So it gives sodium phenate. It is called what? Na is called what? Sodium. And next it is called what? Phenate. It is called what? Phenate. Sodium phenate. Next it is acidified with what? Next it is acidified with what? Dilute HCl. It is acidified with what? Hydrochloric acid. So here what happens? It gives what? Phenol. It gives what? It gives what? Phenol. Okay. So this is what? OH and minus of what? Minus of NH, because so H is combined with OH. What is the remaining? Minus NaCl. So this is what? This is called what? Phenol. So in the examination, how do you convert chlorobenzene to phenol? How do you convert chlorobenzene to phenol? Write down this reaction with name of the reactant and product. You will get what? 2 marks. Suppose, how do you convert chlorobenzene to phenol? Write down statement. Chlorobenzene is fused with water, sodium hydroxide solution at a temperature of 623 Kelvin and 300 atmosphere. It gives sodium phenate, which on acidification with what? Hydrochloric acid. So we can get what? Phenol. This is statement carries 1 mark, reaction carries 1 mark. Suppose no statement, you must write reaction along with what? Name of the reactant and product. You can get what? 2 marks. Okay, so this is what? Methods of preparation from haloarine. And next is what here? This is the first methods of preparation is over. The second methods of preparation, yes my dear students, second methods of preparation, yes. What is the second methods of preparation? From benzene diazonium chloride, from benzene diazonium chloride, as second method, from benzene diazonium, from benzene diazonium chloride, from benzene diazonium chloride, yes my dear students, from benzene diazonium chloride, yes, from benzene diazonium chloride I can write here, yes my dear students, from benzene diazonium chloride the answer is okay, yes, I can take, this is called benzene, this is benzene, this is called benzene diazonium chloride, this is called benzene, nitrogen is called what? Diazar, diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride is warm with what? Water. You take what? Warm water. Warm with what? Water. So finally it gives what? It gives what? Phenol. It gives what? Phenol. Yes, this is what? Phenol. Because why it gives phenol? Water. It is having what? H plus and what? OH minus. OH minus is directly bonded with what? OH benzene ring. So by this it gives what? Phenol. What is the remaining? The remaining is what here? So better you have to write on here only. So this is I can write here. This is gives what? OH. The plus of what? Plus of what? N2. Plus of what? Plus of what? Cl. So this water, this OH minus is bonded to what? Benzene ring. Now it becomes phenol. Next it liberates what? N2, and this H combines with Cl. It gives what? Cl. So this is what? This is called what? Phenol. This is called what? Phenol. So this is the second methods of preparation. The first methods of preparation from haloarine. So we have taken example chlorobenzene. Now the second methods of preparation is from benzene diazonium chloride. So this is the benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride is warm with water. So we can get what? Phenol. Okay. Yes. And the next is what here? Next is here. Third methods of preparation. Third methods of preparation. What is third methods of preparation? The very important is from cumene. From cumene. From cumene. First you do. What is cumene? Before going to the preparation, first I can discuss what is meant by cumene. Cumene is a isopropyl benzene. Cumene is a isopropyl benzene. Cumene is a isopropyl benzene. Yes, this is benzene, and here is a CH, and this is what a CH3, and next it is what a CH3. Okay, so this is what you know that already we have discussed CH. This is a branched chain. If it is a branched chain hydrocarbon having, if the branched chain hydrocarbon having this type of structure CS3 CS3, it is called as, it is called iso group. It is called what? Iso. Any uh, organic compound, it may have what, this is CS3 CS3 group, so it is called what? Iso. When you take especially the CS3 is present in what? Branched chain hydrocarbon. If any branched chain hydrocarbon having a CS3 CS3 group, so it is read as iso. So here CS3 CS3, it is a branch. It is a branch which is here it is a total, it is what? Branched chain hydrocarbon, because where the benzene is attached to what? Attached to what? CH. So it is a branched chain hydrocarbon. CS3 CS3, it is called CS3 CS3, it is called what? Iso. CS3 CS3 is called what? Iso. So how many carbons are here? 3 carbon and 7 hydrogen. 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen is called what? Propane. 3 carbon and 8 hydrogen is called what? Propane. But here 3 carbon and 7 hydrogen, so it is called what? It is called what? A profile. So what type of it is? It is an isopropyl. It is what? Isopropyl benzene. It is called what? Isopropyl benzene. So yes, my dear, the CH3 CH3, it is called what? Iso. And the 3 carbon and 7 hydrogen is called what? So this is what? 3 carbon and 7 hydrogen, it is called what? It is called what? Profile. So this is profile, and next it is what? Totally it is what? Benzene. So it is called isopropyl benzene. Yes, my dear students. So what is the IUPAC name? What is the IUPAC name? So you can give number. Yes, 1, this is 1, next is second carbon, and it is what? 3 carbon. How many carbons selected? First 3 carbon. 3 carbon selected, no? 3 carbon selected means what? This is called what? Prof. 3 carbon selected is called prof. And it is single bond. It is called what? En. It is profane. But here this is called, see, this is called what? Benzene. So this benzene, it contains how many carbons? 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, and 6 carbon. It contains 6 carbon. How many hydrogens are there? 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, and 5 hydrogen. But sixth it contains what? Carbon. So it is only how many carbons are? 6 carbon and 5 hydrogen. So this is C6H5. So it is called what? It is called what? A phenyl. It is called what? Phenyl. Is it correct or not? So what is the common name? CH3 is called what? Iso, and it is a profile benzene. But here for IUPAC name, you give number 1, 2, 3. It is called what? Profane. And this is a benzene ring. But in this benzene ring only it contains 6 carbon and 5 hydrogen. 6 carbon and 5 hydrogen is called what? Phenyl. So this is called what? So this is called what? This color it indicates this entire. This is called what? Phenyl group. So this is called what? This is what? Phenyl group. This phenyl group is on second carbon. So it is called what? It is called what? 2-phenyl propane. It is called what? 2-phenyl propane. 2-phenyl propane is what? IUPAC name. So it is a IUPAC name. And isopropyl benzene is what? Isopropyl benzene is what? Isopropyl benzene is what? Common name. So what is the common name of cumene? Isopropyl benzene. What is the IUPAC name of cumene? 2-phenyl 2-phenyl propane. In the examination, one more question. So what is meant by cumene? Cumene is nothing but a isopropyl benzene, or it is also called 2-phenyl propane. Common name is isopropyl benzene, and IUPAC name is what? 2-phenyl propane, my dear students. Okay, so now you know that what is meant by cumene. Cumene is a isopropyl benzene. With help of this cumene, so we can prepare what? With help of this cumene, so we can prepare what? We can prepare what? Phenol. Yes. So we can prepare what? Phenol. Yes. Now I can discuss here. From cumin. This is the third method of preparation. Cumin. Yes, the step 1. I can write the structure of what? Cumin. This is what? Cumin. Cumin, it undergoes what? Oxidation. The cumin is on oxidation in the presence of air. Cumin is on oxidation in the presence of what? Air at a temperature of what? 130 degrees Celsius. It gives cumin hydroperoxide. It gives cumin hydroperoxide. It gives cumin hydroperoxide. It gives cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. It is called cumin hydroperoxide. This is what I mean, cumin hydroperoxide. Yes, my dear students? Yes. What is the second step? What is the second step? What is this? Now is the second step I am discussing. This cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, this cumin hydroperoxide is treated with what? Is treated with what? Dilute sulfuric acid at a temperature of what? 373 Kelvin. So what happens? This cumin hydroperoxide is converted into phenol and what? Acetone when it is treated with what? Dilute H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin. Yes. Now it is the acetone. Yes. What it gives? Yes. Yes, my dear. Okay. Okay. This is what? This is cumin hydrochloride. So what it gives? What is the remaining? Benzene with OH. Benzene with OH. OH. The next is what? What is the remaining? CS3, CS3, CO, CS3. CS3, CO, CS3. It is called what? Acetone. And this is called what? This is called what? Phenol. This is called what? Phenol. So, what is this anybody? So, how do you prepare? How do you prepare phenol? The phenol can be prepared by using what? Cumin. What is this cumin? This is the structure of cumin. So, this is what anybody? So, totally it is a structure of what? Cumin. This is a structure of what? Cumin. Yes. Okay, this cumin. Okay. So, this is what? Cumin. Yes, my dear students. This is cumin. This cumin is oxidized in the presence of air. It gives what? Cumin hydroperoxide. This cumin hydroperoxide is converted into what? Phenol and what? Acetone. When this treated with what? Dilute H2SO4 at a temperature of 373 Kelvin. So it gives what? Phenol. So this it means what? So it gives CS3CO CS3. Then this OH is adds to what? OH. So we can get what? Get what? Phenol. So this is nothing but a third methods of preparation. In the examination, what is cumin? Cumin is a isopropyl benzene. What is the IUPAC name of cumin? 2-phenyl propane. And in the examination 3 marks question, you go through the previous question paper. So how do you prepare? Explain the manufacture of what? Phenol by cumin process. First you take cumin. Next it is oxidized in the presence of air. It gives cumin hydroperoxide. This cumin hydroperoxide is converted to phenol and acetone and it is treated with dilute H2SO4 and 373 Kelvin, my dear students. Okay, so this is the third methods of preparation. And the last methods of preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Yes. Next, the fourth methods of preparation. We are discussing preparation. The fourth one is from from benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. From benzene sulfonic acid. Yes. Here total 3 steps are there. Step 1. Step 1. What is the formula of benzene sulfonic acid? Yes. This is called SO3H. It is called benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid is treated with what? Base NaOH. Acid and base, it gives salt and water. You know that. So here, so this is benzene sulfonic acid and it reacts with what? Base NaOH. So OH and H neutralizes to, it gives what? Water, and then it gives product. It gives product SO3Na. SO3Na plus of what? Plus of what? Water. Plus of what? Water. Benzene sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide, it gives sodium benzene sulfonate. Next here says step 2. Step 2. In this step 2, what happens? Sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. Yes, my dear students, is treated with what? NaOH. What? NaOH. Again you have to treat it with NaOH. So here it gives what? It gives what? Sodium phenate. It gives what? Sodium phenate. Sorry. Yes, it gives sodium phenate. ONA plus of what? Plus of what? Sorry. Na2SO3. What it gives? Sorry. OH. It gives what? Phenol. It gives what? Phenol. Okay. It gives what? Phenol. So it gives what? Phenol. Okay. It gives Na2SO3. Actually, in the second step only, we got what? Phenol. But it will not become a phenol because so we added what? NaH excess. First step we added NaH. In the second step is also we have added what? NaH. Because of this reason, so whatever the phenol is obtained now, it is not a phenol. This phenol again it converts into water. Phenate, then we can acidify. So this what happens in this phenol, okay, this phenol, it combines with what? NaOH, because we have added what? Excess of NaH. In first step we added NaH, second step we added what? NaOH. So here we can get what? Phenol, but it will not remain a phenol because this phenol again reacts with what? NaOH. So because we added excess, so it gives what? It gives what? Sodium phenate. It gives what? Sodium phenate. Okay. It gives what? Sodium phenate. ONA. ONA, and it is plus of what? Plus of what? Water. And next is what here? Next is what? Step 3. What is the step 3? Sodium phenate. Sodium phenate. This is the sodium phenate is acidified with what? Acidified with what? Hydrochloric acid. Sodium phenate is acidified with hydrochloric acid. So finally we can get what? Phenol plus of what? Phenol plus of what? Phenol plus of what? NaCl. Phenol plus of what? NaCl. So this is called what, everybody? So this is called benzene sulfonic acid. This is called benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. It gives sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay, sodium benzene sulfonate. This sodium benzene sulfonate is sodium hydroxide. So here we can get what? Phenol. This phenol is combines with water, NaH. So it gives what? Sodium phenate. It gives what? Sodium phenate. This sodium phenate acidified with Cl. So we can get what? We can get what? Phenol. So this is the fourth methods of preparation of what? Phenol. The first methods of preparation is from haloarine. Second methods of preparation is from benzene diazonium chloride. Third methods of preparation is from cumene. Next is the fourth methods of preparation is from what? Benzene sulfonic acid. So these are the preparations and classification of what phenol we have discussed. First, what are phenols? Once again I will repeat. So the next class I can go for what? Acidic nature of what? Phenol. Okay, the phenol is acidic in nature, so I can discuss next class. So first, what are phenols? Phenols are the aromatic hydroxy compound where OH group is directly bonded to benzene ring. And the next one is what here? And the phenols are three types: monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and trihydric phenol. And next is the methods of preparation. Total 4 methods of preparation: from haloarine, from benzene diazonium chloride, from cumene, and the last one is the benzene sulfonic acid. Thank you, my dear students.